This week, I've been spending time with this 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid Calligraphy all-wheel drive. I've been waiting forever to get my hands on one of these. Price as tested for this Calligraphy trim is just about $52,000, but you can get in one of these for just under $40,000 for the base SEL. This is finished in earthy brass, very unique color. It's a matte color, looks very sharp in the sun. Actually, just very sharp all around. I really dig it. The Santa Fe is a very unique looking vehicle, obviously all new, redesigned for 2025. I don't think it looks that bad. I think with everything out on the road these days, it's unique. Yes, it kind of does look like a Range Rover. I actually parked beside one this week and it looks very similar, but it has its own styling elements that kind of separate it from other vehicles on the road, which I really dig. Got 20-inch wheels, got these awesome grab handles on the side that you can use to pop up on the tire or hop up on here and load and unload some things up here, which is nice. These lock as well. Let's go ahead and check out the back here. Power lift gate. Does have a smart lift gate as well. If you stand back here for 5 seconds, it'll automatically open. The Santa Fe for 2025 is a 3-row, which is nice. Under here, you do get some storage. No spare tire on this one, unfortunately, but you do get a fix-a-flat kit, 12-volt outlet back here. Very easy to fold the 3rd row up. We'll climb back here. You can also fold the 2nd row down here with these buttons electronically to allow for a lot more cargo space. Go ahead and climb into the back seat real quick. All you got to do to get in the 3rd row is just hit that button there, and it will slide forward and recline forward as well. Pretty easy ingress for a 3-row. Just press that button again. It will recline back. Obviously, it'll slide back, but not fully, but that's okay. You still got plenty of room up there. I'll climb up there in just a second. But in the 3rd row here, very usable for an adult. Do get vents back here, USB-C port, a couple cup holders, and climate controls. Also do get a 115-volt outlet on this side. I'm 6 foot, I got plenty of leg room, and I got a lot of headroom as well. Obviously, if this was slid farther back, I'd have a trouble, but I would sit here for a couple hours. The seating position is a little bit low. I mean, my knees are kind of up to my chest, but it's not the end of the world, not the worst. To get out, all I gotta do is press this button here, and it will recline forward, and slide up and push this back, and I'll actually get in right now as it is. So climbing in here, I really don't have very much leg room. Plenty of headroom though, but that's okay. I mean, I can slide this back. But you guys seen how much leg room I had back there already. I have enough give to make this passenger here a little comfortable. Now, in a normal seating position, I have plenty of room, about 6 inches of leg room. You do get sunshades, also known as peasant blockers, like I like to call them. Rear heated seats, a couple cup holders, lots of storage down through here, a couple map pockets, 2 USB-C ports, the ability to change the passenger seat's position on the fly, which is kind of fun. You have a double sunroof as well, pretty nice. This nice, soft to touch, like felt microfiber headliner as well. Captain's chairs are very comfortable back here. I can recline, it's power on both sides as well. Do get some vents back here. This interior color is very unique. It's like a beige and green. It's a very earthy vehicle. I really dig it. It's very unique. I think the green and the earthy brass really complement each other nicely. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's under the hood. So under the hood of the 2025 Santa Fe Hybrid is a 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Total combined power output for this powertrain is about 231 horsepower and 271 pound-feet of torque. It gets about 34 miles a gallon combined. Very efficient powertrain for a 3-row SUV. We'll get into the driving impressions as we go along here, but I think this is the powertrain to get for the Santa Fe. The 2.5 liter, while it is a lot more powerful and you do have a lot more towing capacity, I believe 3,500 versus the hybrid's 2,000 pound capacity, I really think the extra fuel economy and refinement from this and reliability from this powertrain will make up for that. Climbing into the driver's seat here, these are heated and ventilated, and they also have this adjustable thigh rest as well. Very comfortable seats. This whole vehicle is so comfortable. Climbing into the driver's seat here, you're greeted with two 12.3-inch displays, one for the gauge cluster and one for the infotainment. That houses a 360 reverse cam, wireless Android Auto, wireless CarPlay, whole bunch of customization, ambient lighting that looks really, really good at night. I'll stick a B-roll shot of what this looks like at night. It just looks really awesome. It's really bright all around the cabin as well. You can even adjust the rear seats, leave voice memos, check the weather, check your sports. I mean, this infotainment is top-notch. The technology in here is top-notch. Coming down through here, you do get your dual zone automatic climate controls, your heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated seat controls, drive modes, your parking sensors all the way around as well. And you get two wireless chargers down here, which is awesome. A lot of connectivity. Couple cup holders here, a center console here that is super deep. You can remove this. There's even a little handle for the back passengers here. There's tons and tons of storage in this thing. And this also opens up like this so your rear passengers can have access to the center console as well. This has a column gear shifter. There is no, physical gear shifter or buttons here. So this frees up a lot of space down here for extra items. You get a 12-volt outlet as well. Over here, you do get a nice size glove box, a little tray here, and a upper glove box that actually has a fun little feature. You can place your phones, gloves, or whatever, close it, and press this little UVC button, and UV lights will turn on inside and sanitize whatever it is for 10 minutes and then automatically turn off. Coming up through here, you do get a digital rear view mirror with garage home link, sunroof controls here, and illuminated visor mirrors with a ticket holder. I think this interior is top notch. I've had a lot of people in here this week, and every single person has sat in here and is like, oh boy, how much does this cost? Is it like $65,000, $70,000? And I'm like, no, it's $51,000. And they're like, you're kidding me. I mean, I've been in Volvos and Lexuses that aren't even this nice on the inside. So I think that about covers everything on the interior and exterior. Let's go ahead and take this thing for a spin. I'll give you my driving impressions as we go along the way. Ergonomics in here are really well thought out. I'm very comfortable. Everything's within an arm's reach. I would rather have these be buttons instead of capacitive, but at least there's physical controls down here and it's not buried in the infotainment. They work well, they respond well. Do get Hyundai's blind spot monitoring turn signal cameras. Very nice, works on both sides as well. This is such a smooth and refined vehicle to drive. The transmission shifts flawlessly, no hiccups, no jerks. The transition from EV to gas is barely noticeable. I have driven this thing 438 miles and had 14 hours of seat time in the Santa Fe, and I've averaged 35.1 miles a gallon. And hand calculated, I was about 34.8, so it's pretty much dead on accurate. And really can't complain. With that many miles and this MPG that it's putting out, unbelievable. I just filled this up and you can see I have 600 miles of range. This is like the ultimate road trip vehicle as well. I mean, I could just stack miles and miles and miles on this thing. Not a problem. Right, now we're going to navigate a bumpier section of road here. And I will tell you, this thing will handle it without a problem. It has such a smooth, plush ride. NVH is really good. There's no reverberations in the cabins when you go over bumps and expansion joints and potholes. Do get traffic sign recognition in the gauge cluster, which is nice. Pops up on the heads-up display and gauge cluster too. Stop signs, speed limit signs, turn signs. Handling is pretty good as well for a 3-row SUV. Steering weights up nicely around corners. Obviously, you're not going to be canyon carving your Santa Fe, but I have really no complaints at all. Not a whole lot of body roll. It's well composed. Even on a super rough gravel and tar back road, road noise is very good. This thing is whisper quiet on the highway as well. All right, let's go into sport mode. And floor it and merge onto the highway. Not bad, not bad at all. Here on the highway, nice and quiet and composed. You have Hyundai's Highway Driving Assist 2. On mapped highways, it will make lane changes for you as well. Obviously, you have to keep your hand on the wheel, but it'll do a good job of, you know, looking all around and making that lane change safely. On mapped highways, you can also take your hands off the wheel, although it's not recommended to do that, but you can take your hands off the wheel for an extended period of time and it won't pester you. This car pretty much drives itself, but I'd recommend keeping your hands on the wheel like they want you to. Works well in the rain, low visibility conditions as well. Really like those blind spot cameras, comes in handy. You get blind spot monitoring in the mirrors as well. This vehicle comes with a Bose stereo system as well, and you can actually enjoy it in this vehicle. I think I would rate that an A-tier sound system. It sounds really, really good. Thumps nicely. I don't even have to EQ it out. I mean, it just sounds good right out of the box. Perfect for podcasts and all sorts of music that I listen to. I mean, you can barely tell when this thing switches from gas to electric. I mean, sometimes you don't even know until you look down into the gauge cluster and you see that this thing, you know, is down to 0 RPM, that it's on electric. It's really cool if you pay attention in the heads-up display. If you guys can see that, you can see that it's alerting me that there's a vehicle in my blind spot in the heads-up display. Lots of safe understeer. This is such a great all-around package. Hyundai, I'm very, very impressed with this vehicle. You guys did an outstanding job engineering this. This vehicle also looks really good at night as well. It's got like a LED light bar that goes across the front. Super nice, bright LED headlights that you can actually see going down the road. The taillights are pretty cool as well. They're like shaped like an H, and I'm not sure if that's, you know, intentional, you know, for the Hyundai logo. I mean, the headlights are the same way as well. They have little H's in them, but very unique. Man, this is one vehicle I really don't want to give back. I really, really enjoy driving this. I know a lot of people have critiqued the styling, even myself included. I'm like, man, that rear end is ugly, but once you drive this thing, I encourage you, don't count this vehicle out unless you have driven it, because it reversed my decision on what could be a future vehicle for me. Guys, I really think this is a better buy than a Palisade. I hate to say it. I haven't driven the new refresh Palisade yet, but I really enjoy this, and I think this is the ultimate family SUV. Will it win the Paul's Place Vehicle of the Year? I don't know, because I still got the rest of the year to film and test vehicles, but so far, if I had to rank all the vehicles I've driven this year, this vehicle is way up here and the next one's down here. There's still quite a bit of gap. Something's really going to have to blow my expectations away in order to beat this thing, but we'll see. We'll see. We got a few months until the end of the year. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on the 2025 Santa Fe Hybrid, and if you think it's worth it or not. I love reading your guys' comments and interactions. Make my day. Oh, of course. All right, we got to listen to the chimes real quick. And then the startup chime. I think they're cool. Some people find them cheesy, but I actually don't mind them at all. Now, this vehicle also does come equipped with remote start and the park assist as well. We all know what the park assist is. It's been on vehicles, Hyundai vehicles, for years now. You know, if you're parked up next to somebody and they parked right on top of you, or you're just, you know, parked in a puddle because it started downpouring, all you got to do is just remote start the vehicle and press and hold on the key fob here, and it'll start moving. I mean, we've seen this. It's awesome. Very practical. I've actually used it a few times. I've actually parked this too close to my yard and, you know, had to move it in order to mow behind it, and was able to use the key fob instead of getting into it. I mean, not that getting into it's a big deal anyways, but kind of a nice little thing to have. Goes forward as well. You can kind of hear the ghost sound that this thing makes. It won't hit me at all either. I've tested it. It's got those parking sensors front and rear. Let's see what this thing sounds like in reverse. I want to hear the ghost sound loud. They keep changing their ghost noises, their electric noises. This one sounds a lot more heavenly than the other ones. I like it. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my review of the 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe Calligraphy Hybrid. Shout out to Hyundai for providing this vehicle for me to film. It's been an absolute pleasure. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll go ahead and see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.